Want to know how to uninstall Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily uninstall Mobile Legends on your Android or iPhone. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. What you can do is you can just simply hold on your Mobile Legends icon by finding it, and once you're there, just simply select this trash can icon right here. Now once you've selected the trash can icon, simply select uninstall right here. So this will remove any app data from your phone and it will be uninstalled. Next thing, you can just simply head towards your Play Store and then search up for Mobile Legends. And now once you find Mobile Legends, just simply open it up, and instead of install or play, you should be seeing uninstall right here. And then you can just simply select uninstall, and after a while your Mobile Legends should be successfully uninstalled. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.